Today we are going to learn conventional filtering versus advanced filtering and when to use to filter any data. When you have a data with multiple criteria, this will be very useful. Where to find it? You can find it under data menu. And who can use? Everybody can use, particularly data analytics and all that. And why? It will make the task much easier and you can select the criteria and all that. And to do that, we can just quickly activate that advanced filter and we can filter with one criteria or multiple criteria or filter with unique values also as well. Let's dive in. So this is my data set and all I'm doing it is that I'm going to data and in that data you have advanced. In the advanced, this is the window comes up. Whenever you do the filter, normal filter, for example, let's say I'm coming back, I'm doing a normal filter, Alt Shift L, right? I can filter by laptop example and anything of the laptop I can filter and so on, right? This is very conventional way. You might be knowing it. And but now what we are doing it instead of we don't want to disturb this box. Instead, we can do it separately, right? That's what the advanced filter comes in. So let's go ahead and do it. Data, advanced one, advanced filter you have copied to another one. I just always click on copy to another location. Make sure that your data is selected. B2 to EF1 is selected. The criteria. So we need a criteria. So let me just put that criteria. I need the asset and then availability, right? So this is the criteria I have. And the this one could be laptop example asset. And then availability, I want to find out whether it is out of stock or in stock, right? So let's go back to this data, advanced filter. And in advanced, you have a copy to another location. So I've already selected this one. Criteria range, this is my range. I'm going to select only single criteria now. And I wish to copy here. So this is single criterion, okay? You see that, so what it has done, single criteria, whether the laptop is available, what are the different models are available, right? So you have laptop A, B, C, and then laptop, and then what is the price quantity, and then you also have the availability. So out of 5 models, only 4 models, out of 5 models, and only 4 models are available and all. This is called single criteria. We are checking whether laptop is being found, right? We're not checking. Now we can just apply that multiple criteria. In multiple criteria, what we can ask is one, we can check laptop. Same, I will go with the laptop, and then I will check for availability also as well, right? And once again, same step, go to data, advanced Excel, sorry, advanced filter, and here let me repeat the same step. So copy to another location, and this is my data range is fine. Criteria here in my criteria, I'm going to add another criteria, right? So you can just select here, come back, copy to, I will just park here. Okay. Now this you see that so only out of 5 laptop, only 4 laptop are having in stock, right? So only those are coming up. So now one more unique things, right? So these also have the duplicate items also as well, right? So these two are duplicate items, so I don't want that. So now the same thing, either multiple criteria or single criteria without duplicates. Okay. So once again, same way, go to data, advanced filter, copy to another location, same range, and then here criteria. So this is criteria also same example. And then I'm going to store it here. And here unique record only. So what it should happen is that it should pick only available as well as from 4, it should become 3. So we have not clicked that one. Let me undo that step. We have not enabled the one. Let me just go back and go to data, go to advanced filter and copy. So this is the same. I'm going to keep it here. And we need to enable this one, unique record only. So you see. Now you see that, so I'm just going only with the laptop. So these are all the laptop available, 5 different type of laptop. When it comes to availability, only 4. When it comes to without duplicate or unique value, only these, right? We're not disturbing this table and original table, the native table we're keeping same. Rather, we're just keeping it here so that we can easily filter, right? So similarly, you can reapply the criteria. For example, let's say if you want out of stock, And with respect to that, again, you can come back and do that same way. You will get that also as well. So right now, I will keep it for available. Okay. I hope you find it useful. Please do like, share the channel. You have a wonderful day.